Hey guys, this video is on how to troubleshoot your Whirlpool dishwasher. I've got no power to this thing. I went and checked the breaker already. I'm ready to do a freaking load and nothing. So troubleshooting, right? First thing I want to do is check the breaker. The breaker was still on, so nothing going on there. And then, so I checked the bottom, I pulled the bottom out, make sure there's no debris holding it up. There is nothing, and I got no power. So I'm thinking maybe there was some kind of shut off. So one thing I'm gonna do is leave this all the way open. Now I've got it open, now I need to pull the whole thing out. So I'm gonna get rid of these brackets. I'm gonna unhook these brackets right up here that hook it to the bottom of the counter. Okay, I've unscrewed the two brackets there. Now I just need to pull this thing out all the way. I've got it pulled out all the way. Nothing underneath it, no flooding, no anything. Sometimes if there's flooding underneath it, there's a float under there, you know, to keep you from getting shocked. Check the breaker. So a lot of times if this thing won't turn back on, there's no reset on these. There's no reset at all. I thought maybe that was the reset. That's not the reset. They don't have one. So if you have no power, to check the breaker. The other thing is, for a reset, turn off your breaker, wait about a minute or two, then turn it back on. You should get power. But in this case, I'm noticing something here. So whoever put this in did not hardwire it. They plugged it in to a GFI. That being said, there is the problem right there. So this is the fix right here. Look at that. Now I've got power. Yep, there it is. So it's one of the benefits of having a hardwired dishwasher is it'll set the breaker off. You don't have to pull. You don't have to do this every time it sets the GFI off. So that's the problem. Hope this helps you, but don't forget to check that, because you don't know, if you've never checked behind it or you didn't do it yourself, you don't know if it's hardwired in or if it's plugged into a plug. That plugged into a plug thing is really weird for me. I always hardwire these in. So yeah, that's something to check, and that was the problem. So now we're back in business. There we go. All right, you guys, hope this helps, and thanks for watching.